Welcome. In this video, we'll analyze a LaTeX document. Basically, we'll count the number of words used in main text, captions, titles, and so on. Apart from these analyses, we'll also count number of pages when figures and tables are excluded. Sometimes such information are required while submitting a manuscript. For example, this journal, under manuscript information, we are asked to provide number of figures, number of color figures, number of tables, number of words, number of manuscript pages, while tables and figures are excluded. Here I have one sample of LaTeX article, main text file, PDF file, BIP file, and images. We will do our analysis with the text count package. Make sure that it is installed in your system. Just go to Explorer folder bar and type cmd and type here text count blank space dash capital V. Press enter. If you are able to see this line, then that means a text count is installed in your system. Otherwise you will have to install. Installing any package in LaTeX is very easy. I have explained it many times. You just need to open Miktex console, switch to administrator mode, packages, make sure that internet is working, and just type text count. Press enter. Since this package is already installed with Miktex, that's why install package option is grayed out. If it is not installed, then you will have option to install this. Text count is based on Perl script, so we have to install Perl script as well. The installation process of Perl script I have already explained in a separate video in LaTeX diff tutorial. You can watch that. The link is given in the description box. So I am not going to explain this again. Now again open CMD from the Explorer folder bar. I want to count total number of words used in this article. Just type text count, file name, article, extension, text, and press enter. Now we have all the information. Total number of words in main text 1248, in headers 25. Headers means all the titles, article title and sections title. Words outside text means captions and some other places 38. Number of headers 12. Headers means all the titles. Total number of floats 3. Number of math in lines 4. Total number of displayed math 2. We can also see the details about each section at this place. Mainly we require words in main text, headers, and total number of inlines and displayed math. If you don't like to print these details, then you can just type total, press up arrow, write total. We can also print total number of words used in text, headers, and math. Write here sum, press enter. We can count 12, 48, 25, 38, and 6. Then total will be 13, 17. This is not included. Generally this one is also not required to include. So we'll have to count this one, and only this one. If you are interested to print total number of words used in your references, then you can include. Again press up arrow, then just write dash and inc bib, inc for include. Not coming for, actually first we need to compile this file so that we can generate BBL file. Press enter. This is the information related to words used in references. One header, so total number of words used in references will be 139. Total number of files 2. Now I'll include one external text file in this main file, and we will see if total number of words used in external text file are counted or not. We'll create one text file with the name of app. Now again go to your working folder. This is the added external text file. Just press up arrow, press enter. Even total number of words are same. Again press up arrow and type here dash ink for include. Press enter. Total number of words used in external text file. So total number of words including this file and this file will be 1400 plus 27 words in headers and 6 will be in math. In the last we want to know total number of pages when all figures and tables are excluded. It's very simple. We need to use one package, that is nfloat. A figure was added at this place, that's why this message is coming. Table, then list of figures, list of tables. We can remove this message. Just write here no markers. And also if you don't want to print a list of figures and a list of tables, then just use no lists option. We can change the order. For example, if you want to print a table first, then just write tables first at this place. Total number of pages are 4 when all the floats are excluded. Alright, so these are the few tips for today's learning. That's all. Thanks for watching.